If you want to learn what is OTDR and how to test fiber with OTDR, so this video for you. Complete watch this video and learn everything about OTDR. So let's start our video. My name is Sham and welcome to Sham Official. If you come first time on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more informative videos. Okay, now we go to OTDR screen and I will explain you there how to test fiber with OTDR. Okay friends, so basically what is OTDR? OTDR mean optical time domain reflector, and OTDR is a optic electronic device, optoelectronic device. So this is our main menu in OTDR. Um, it's brand of Exfo. I will little bit zoom. Okay, first of all, you make folder for you which location you want to test. Okay, we will go to in file manager. Okay, type here new folder, any name what you want, no issue. Which location you want to take test, you make it this one. For example, I will make here the mom. The mom to Uber. Enter. Okay, now we make this folder and now we go to main menu. So we cross and now we go in OTTR. Okay, here you can see this is wavelength. You can set anyone which one you want. Here range kilometer, anyone you can set up to 400 kilometer. Which one you need, 5 kilometer, 10, 20, 40, etc. And this is pulse. You can set here nanosecond, microsecond, 3 nanosecond, 5 nanosecond, like this 2.4 microsecond. You can set here. Here this is duration. Mean you can set time for test 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 13 second and 45 second, etc. Okay, if you want to take auto test, then you press just auto. This is auto set. It will measure auto, no need to set range, pulse or duration.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Baby, you get
This is important menu. You can set here any folder which you want, which you make before. Press save, three dot, scroll down. Here you can see I make their folder Damam to Khubar. Here I will select this one and press OK. OK, and press again OK. OK. Now if you want to take auto, then press auto. If you want to manually, then here select any range, pulse, duration. I will select short one because I have only 5-meter fiber. You can see here I have only 5-meter patch cord. I don't have a long one, that's why I select 1.25, and this one 3 nanosecond, duration 5 seconds. Okay, and press start. Here you see this show 5 meter, mean this is kilometer, not in meter. If you see here, mean it's in kilometer, not in meter. If we convert in meter, then this is 5 meter. Okay, now you can save here. This is option for save. Press here. Just now it's saved. You can see now where our test report is saved. Just cross here and go in file manager. Okay, and check here Damam to Khobar. Okay, you can check here line A at Sham, port number 3, Mubarakia shelter to Afoof, AB, and 1550 our wavelength. You can change everything, no issue. Okay, this is for just example and just for teaching. Okay friend, if you learn anything in this video, so please like this video and subscribe my channel for additional support. Okay, bye bye.